We are here not with a new pattern, but with an exciting re-release of a pattern. We're here to talk about the Leah dress. And we've got four beautiful Leahs here. And we're talking about Leah because we've been spending a bit of time working on the Leah dress and grading her up to our full size range. So Leah is now available in sizes 6 to 30.
Yeah.
So if
popular demand.
Yeah.
I would say overwhelmingly popular
popular demand.
So I'm trying to remember now my facts.
Oh.
So Leah first came out, I want to say, in 2018.
Wow, really?
As part of the Lisa Comfort magazine.
Yes.
And she was based
She wasn't
on
even a standalone pattern.
The journey she's
had. The things she's seen.
So she was based on a dress from the film Spectre, the James Bond film, where the gorgeous actress Leah Seydoux,
Is that the French accent?
I think that's it.
wears a gorgeous dress very similar to ours.
Yeah.
And I think Lisa saw that and was like, oh my goodness, this is perfect for a pattern. It's got those vintage vibes that we love here, but also it can be sort of really contemporary as well. And it just makes a gorgeous pattern. But obviously we were only releasing in sizes 8 to 20 back in the old days. So she's been brought forth and joins the gang as a fully fledged 6 to 30 pattern.
Amazing.
So not only that, we have zhuzhed up the instructions. Obviously we're now adding in links to Stitch School in our instructions and some photos. So there's black and white instructions for you to print, but there's also colour ones with links and more excitement in them. And we've also added, as Alma is demonstrating, we've added pockets.
Yes.
Optional pockets.
Optional. You can leave them out. Absolutely.
Exactly. I think all pockets in sewing are optional. Because lots of people don't believe in pockets.
No, they
it
don't.
spoils the line.
Fair enough. I would say this is not a very tight fit dress,
so
the pockets are fine.
I think they're fine.
And they improve your life. But
for practicality, we've put in pockets. So there's now instructions for that, and obviously a pattern piece for that with Leah as well. It's important to note that if you've already bought Leah, all you need to do is to go onto our website and find your order, and it will be there for you. All the updated files, all the updated sizing, and that includes people that have bought it with the magazine as well.
It's amazing.
So,
well done.
what else have we done?
Well, if you need a helping hand making your Leah, which is a confident beginner.
It is, yeah.
A confident beginner pattern, but it has a few little bits that maybe you haven't encountered before. It's always nice to have someone helping you along the way. And so Rosie has done a full in-depth workshop for the Leah dress. So if you buy the class, or if you're a Stitch School subscriber already, you get Leah automatically. That's good news, isn't it? If you're a premium subscriber, you already own Leah now. Poof, you own Leah. And you get a workshop that's in-depth, going step by step, showing you what to do to create this dress and more.
So we talk about fabrics, we talk about all the supplies you'll need. We also talk about a couple of common fitting things that we've come across in Leah. So particularly around the neckline, we talk about fitting this, and also bust adjustments as well, along with just step-by-step help for every single bit of Leah. So darts, panels, finishing seams, so many buttonholes, levelling hems, everything's in there. So yes, if you're a Stitch School member, if you're a Stitch School premium member, sign in, it's all there for you. Go make your Leah now, just switch off and go. If not, you can buy the class outright, or you can subscribe to Stitch School to get access to that, and also over 230, I want to say, other classes.
I think that sounds right, over, because it was the 230th.
Yes, so this is 231 probably.
We should talk just briefly, because all our fabrics are quite busy. Just to show you the details, we'll put some line drawings up. But Leah has waist darts at the front and the back, and the skirt is panelled, which is what gives it the swish. It's beautiful. I'd kind of forgotten when making it that the skirt was panelled. In my head it was just like almost like an A-line, but panels give it so much more movement and volume. And you have a facing, that goes all the way down, and then you have buttons all the way down the front. Now, I was quite good for once, and I did make all the buttonholes, but you don't actually need to, I would say.
I think from
stop
like
around
here
here.
upwards.
You could just sew down the buttons to save you a bit of time. But it is a beautiful look,
Yes.
I think, the buttons all the way down. She's a little bit 1940s inspired, but also a little bit 90s inspired. And also very, very contemporary, especially like Rose's version that is in a more abstract or like, bigger, fun print, whereas we've gone with florals, which feel very.
I feel like yours
40s
is
and
90s.
I feel like very Friends or Buffy or things like that.
Yes. Where I feel like I've got a bit vintage.
Love it.
Pattern.
Proper tea dress.
Yeah.
Love it. And I think you're 90s as well.
Yeah.
It was beautiful. Very, very cute. But yes, Leah is super wearable.
Yeah.
Perfect for viscose and crepe fabrics.
Something drapey for all the swishing.
Definitely drapey. And we've got some beautiful kits.
Yes,
Do you want to tell us more about the
We've
kits?
got 4 types of kits. I'm looking at them right now. We've got some florals, we've got some non-florals, we've got something for everyone. We've got some
We've got
colour,
this one, exactly.
We've got almond,
Yes.
exact
This exact fabric. You can see
If
it
you
a little
want-
bit up close. If you want the 90s look.
The 90s dream.
Absolutely.
So with your kit, you'll get the pattern and the instructions and the fabric and the buttons, and you'll get the bias tape to stabilise the neckline.
Oh, yes.
And you'll get a thread, so you can literally just start straight away. You're ready to go.
As soon as it comes through in the post box.
Exactly. And if you've already bought the pattern in the past, you can just choose the supplies only option, and that will remove the pattern and the instructions. You'll just get the fabric and the notions that you need.
Perfect. Anything else to say? We love Leah.
It's layered. We've layered Leah.
Oh yes.
Layered.
Oh yes.
So if you
So
prefer
good.
to just print a pattern in 1 or 2 or 3 sizes, then you can just select the sizes now that you want to print it off in. If you prefer to use a projector file, for example, then you can use that.
And all our patterns, all our new patterns are now layered. And
Yes.
Jemima's going back into the archives and updating them. There's a lot of patterns there. But this was the perfect opportunity for Leah, right?
Yeah.
Coming
In
back
the
out.
spotlight.
In the
She's
spotlight.
layered.
Do go and have a look at the hashtag on Instagram, SOI Leah Dress, because there are some gorgeous versions already, and hopefully there will be many more sizes from now on, which is very exciting. We love bringing you, getting another pattern into the extended range. We love to do that, and we like to do it with patterns that you clearly want. So do always tell us which patterns you've got your eyes set on, because Leah, honestly, we got so many requests for her, and it was time.
So time to shine.
Time to shine, and we just, it's really nice to give her another moment in the sun. But yes, go and check all the details on the website, go and have a look at the kits, go and have a look at the class. Give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you again very soon, actually, because we filmed a whole vlog on what we did fitting wise to make these very versions that you see before your eyes. So if you're interested in fitting journeys, do tune in a few days. We'll have that for you, and we'll be back with more Leah and beyond very, very soon. Bye.
Bye.